In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly round the corners of your video clip using a simple technique involving the mask feature found under the opacity settings. This method is straightforward and provides a visually appealing result without any complicated steps. To start off, make sure that you've selected your video clip in the timeline, as this will ensure that all the effects we apply will directly impact your chosen clip. Once you've done that, navigate to the Effect Controls panel. Here, you'll find the Opacity section, which holds the key to creating those beautiful rounded corners. Within the opacity settings, you'll see an option to use the mask tools. You have two primary choices here, either the rectangular mask tool or the free draw tool, depending on the shape you'd like to achieve. For the purpose of rounding corners, the rectangular mask tool is usually the most straightforward choice. Click on it and draw your mask around the perimeter of your entire clip. This acts as a boundary for where you want the effect to take place. Now here's the magic part: adjusting the mask expansion. By increasing the value of mask expansion, you're able to push the boundaries of your mask slightly beyond the edges of your video, effectively creating a rounded corner effect. The trick lies in drawing your initial mask just a bit smaller than the actual clip, then expanding outward. This expansion ensures that areas outside your drawn mask are clipped off, leaving those neat and rounded outer corners that transform the look of your video. As you make these adjustments, it's important to keep an eye on one more setting: mask feather. For those clean and crisp rounded corners, you'll want to set mask feather to 0 or keep it at a minimal level. This adjustment prevents any soft blur from creeping into your corners, which might detract from the sharpness of the effect you desire. Once you've got everything set up, take a moment to play back your video within the timeline. Observe how the mask size and expansion have impacted your clip. If the corners aren't quite to your liking, feel free to tweak the mask size or expand further until you achieve that perfect rounded appearance. With these steps, you've effortlessly rounded the corners of your video, adding a touch of elegance and professionalism. Whether you're preparing a video for personal enjoyment or professional purposes, this technique can enhance its visual appeal significantly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to experiment with these settings to see which combination best suits your project needs.